purpose of the operations of the 2024 PAPSEN CBMS. Again, everyone, ladies and gentlemen, maayong hapon. So as we draw this event to a close, I would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to all of you joining us today on this 2024 PAPSEN CBMS Regional Press Launch. Your presence and participation have been invaluable in making this event a success. The Census of Population and CBMS are pivotal initiatives aimed at understanding and addressing the needs of our communities. The data gathered will empower us to create informed policies and programs that truly reflect the realities of our population, ensuring that no one is left behind. We are excited. Maski ngayong grabe ng workload sa PSA, we are excited about the journey ahead and the positive impact this initiative will have on our nation. We count on your continued support, full participation of all the households, and collaboration to achieve our common goals towards matatag, maginhawa, at panatag na buhay tungo sa makabagong Pilipinas. Thank you once again for being here. Let us move forward with commitment and enthusiasm, knowing that together we can build a brighter future for all Filipinos. Let us remember, sa PAPSEN CBMS, kasama tayo sa pag-unlad. Hence, let us not miss this listening activity and joining all the households, the public, to accommodate our field enumerators for an interview starting this Monday, July 15. Again, everyone, maayong hapon and safe travels and have a wonderful day.